I mean, just look at this view. My God. Unbelievable view. This is from the bedroom.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Is It Worth It? And today we're going to talk about the Aria Sky Suites. The Aria Sky Suites are actually the second highest ranked hotel on TripAdvisor and have won the prestigious Traveler's Choice Awards. 83% of people gave the Sky Suites 5 stars, so as you can imagine it's really expensive to stay there. And on weekdays it usually would cost around $400 per night, and on weekends you're looking at $600 to even $800 per night. In this video, I'm going to give you guys a room tour as well as some useful tips to get the most value out of your stay and actually really make this one of the best deals in Las Vegas. Alright, so let's start with a room tour, and well, quite frankly, the room is everything you would expect out of an $800 a night hotel room. Immediately you're greeted by a guest bathroom, which can be convenient and useful. The living room is beautiful and spacious, huge couch here, awesome to lounge on and kind of look out the window and see the entire strip. It's framed perfectly. And then here's kind of another view of the room at dusk. The lighting was really nice around now, so I want to give you guys another view of the room. And then here's another angle of the living room. So as you move from the living room over to the right through a mini hallway, you hit the dining room. And here there's a full-size dining table, kind of with this, again, this picture-perfect view. And behind you there's actually a little kitchen area. The dining room really is beautiful. It's really, really big as some hotel rooms in New York, and the view is stunning. And this little kitchen area was really nice. We actually ordered some Javier's and decided to have a dinner in. So next up is the bedroom. The bedroom, very nice as well. Very cool styling. I like the bright colors. One cool thing about the bedroom and all the rooms are these curtains that kind of go with the touch of a button and reveal this awesome view. Next up we have the bathroom. The bathroom is amazing. It's one of the best parts probably. You're greeted by this kind of awesome double sink here, really high ceilings, really high mirrors. The shower is really, really cool. It's extremely spacious, and it's actually a steam shower. That's what that little kind of screen was there. And as you can see, kind of what I'm doing here is showing you all the space you have in the shower. You can easily fit 2 or 3, if you roll that way, people inside of it. And this is just a really nice makeup vanity. Plenty of room, nice counter space there. Everything in the Sky Suites is branded as the Sky Suites. It's really cool. As you can imagine, the amenities are awesome. And of course, there's a huge, huge closet here. I mean, this thing was massive. I don't know if the video does it justice, but this was super useful because our really nice suite didn't have to get cluttered with all our stuff. The nice folks in the Sky Suites really were pushing this tablet to us. You can control everything in the room, like the temperature and the shades and lights. You can also order room service from the tablet and look up what's going on inside the hotel. It was pretty useful. So I mentioned that the Sky Suites were the best deal in Las Vegas, and I stand by that because of some things you can take advantage of that they provide. So if you stay at the Sky Suites, they actually will pick you up from the airport and drive you to the hotel. So we had this lovely gentleman pick us up. He was super cool, super friendly. Gotta give a shout out to Antoine. Talked to us about how the Warriors had stayed at the Sky Suites after they won the championship. And they pick you up in this awesome limo and take you to the hotel. And they also take you to the airport when you're done with your stay. So in Vegas it costs about $25 to go from the airport to the Strip, so I'd value that at about $50 round trip. So another perk of staying at the Sky Suites is an exclusive snack bar where they stock you with food throughout the day. They often have cookies, brownies, crackers, macaroons, things like that. And at night they do wine and cheese. This is really, really nice to have because in Vegas everything is expensive. So to have free snacks is awesome. So I'd value this at about $20. The item that we got from the snack bar by far the most was the Fiji Water. There's unlimited water here, and I don't know if you guys have ever had the tap water in Vegas, but it is disgusting. So we stocked up like crazy on Fiji Water, as you can see. The amount of water we drank was kind of nuts. I'd peg this at about $20 as well. Perhaps our favorite perk was the Sky Pool. This is an exclusive pool for Sky Suite guests only. They take amazing care of you here. In fact, they'll set up your area with towels and even come by with Evian water sprays to cool you down if it gets too hot. And then every 30 minutes they walked out and handed popsicles. They even had free sunscreen, and they gave me free sunglasses because I thought I forgot my pair. It was amazing. The other perk I want to talk about is the just sense of space and privacy here. It is amazing. I mean, this is a hallway in the Sky Suites area. There's not a single person here. You will never find empty hallways in Vegas. They had a nice lounge area for the Sky Suite guests. The front desk is beautiful, very easy and quick to check in. And the other thing that we actually really liked was the security. In order to use the elevators to get into the Sky Suites, you had to show your guest card to get in. And they even executed on the little things. I mean, this is a small little thing. This is just my charger here. But they tied it up when they cleaned our room, and I thought it was really sweet. The whole time you're there, you really feel like you're having a luxury experience. Everything's branded with the Sky Suites to remind you how awesome they are. So I mentioned earlier that the Aria Sky Suites are one of the best deals in Vegas. And if you actually do the math, you can see why. So let's say you start at a rate of $820 a night, the usual weekend rate. Well, if you actually go on a weekday, you can drop that down to $360 a night, which is a huge savings. Then if you're a member of AAA, you can actually save another 10%, and they're very lenient about this. Next is the car service. So that was about $50 total, so we'll call that $25 a day in savings. Then you have your snacks and water. That's about $40 total, or $20 a day in savings. And then the sky pool, I measured that at about $50 a day because you're going to spend a lot of time there and they give you a lot of free things. So at the end of the day, you're getting an $820 experience for $235, which is a steal in Vegas.
So you've seen me do the math, and in short, yes, the Aria Sky Suites are 100% worth the price. They're the number 2 rated thing on TripAdvisor, and I'm shocked that they're not number 1. Our only complaint of the entire trip has been, we wish we had more than 2 nights to stay here. There's just so much to do, so much to indulge in, so much to enjoy. The service is impeccable. We just wanted more nights, to be honest. So that does it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and if you liked it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You okay?